So hi to YouTube.
Hello.
So never underestimate the awesomeness of extremely harsh chemicals, right? This stuff's really bad, you don't want to get it on you. I mean, like 1980s bad. Awesome. Yeah, then you just let it set for a little bit and then you wash it off and it's awesome.
Okay.
Now what you want to do is get the hose. You want to narrow it down to the tightest stream possible. And you're going to stand way back away from that. Yeah, like that. And you're going to hit it from about this far away. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because you don't want that stuff splashing on you. And spray that way. That way it's not spraying on the car. Don't spray the car either. I don't want to wash water spots off. You can get closer than that. Way closer. Way closer. There you go. A little closer. There's a point where it's loose enough, you can just twist it off with your fingers. Oh, nasty. Actually, that looks better than I thought it was going to.
It don't even smell like gasoline anymore.
It smells like varnish.
Dude, that's so weak.
So while that's draining, you can, while the oil drains, you can open the gasoline up and we'll check it, see what it smells like. Yep. How much is in there?
Oh, you can see it.
It's dry.
It's empty.
Yeah. That's because the gas cap's vented. And a
As
problem.
it heats up, it just expels gas.
Yeah, it evaporates. It leaves something behind because it's technically gas is kind of it's petroleum based, so it's an oil, right? You know that oil I keep up on the shelf?
Yeah.
We'll use that, and there's some 10W30 weight in there we'll use, and then we'll pull the spark plug right now. That'll be the next thing we do, and then we're gonna clean the carburetor out without removing it. Excited?
Yeah.
Yippee! All right, spark plug. What did we say, 3/4 inch?
Yeah.
It didn't take the spark plug wrench, right? So if you hold this and steady it so that it can't weeble wobble, you're gonna smack that with the heel of your other hand. Hit it. There you go. That was easy, right?
Yeah.
When you're putting it back on, you tighten it to snug and then a little more, and then just give it a little love tap that way, not hard. You can do it by hand now. You don't need the wrench. Awesome. What's it look like? Not bad. Looks like crap. Let's clean it. Yep. Bing. Check it out. Totally clean. Good to go?
Yeah.
Alright, you can put it back. There you go. Okay, give it that love tap we talked about. Good? Alright, here, hold this. I'm going to check what you did. Yeah, you did good. It didn't need what I did. We're going to cramp this down just a little bit. Not a lot. No, it's actually in good shape. Just a little, just so it's got a good connection. Okay. The way that generates the spark is there's a magnet on the flywheel, and then there's a little coil, and every time the magnet goes by the coil, the magnetic field induces a transfer of electrons, and they jump up and they go into the spark plug in that little gap that you just cleaned. And the timing on the flywheel is so that that spark happens right at the top of the compression stroke, right? All right. Good?
Yeah.
All right, Ben, so how you looking? Good. Let's see. Where you at? Cool. Good level. Everything's looking good. We just need some gas and put it down. You got to put the cap back in the, on the bottle too. Don't forget your, yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if it runs real quick, and then we'll service Rob's 2 engines real quick, and you don't have to do those. Me and him will do those. And then, we're gonna go to the store and get the filter and stuff that we need. There you go. That's perfect. Good job. So now we just got to drain the oil and put fresh oil in it. You ready? Oh, we got to... You know what's easier than using this stupid little thing? Just using the thing that we're dumping it into. It'll fit, right? Yeah, it sure does. Maybe. Oh, that train's in the way. There we go, that's fine. That should do it. Hopefully it doesn't make a mess. Remember the trick with the other wrench? Ah, you got it. I didn't have to say it. If you apply 1 pound of force 1 foot away, what is that? 1 foot-pound. Or 1 pound-foot. 1 foot-pound. We say foot-pound. We're in America. So if you apply 1 pound of force 10 feet away, how much is that? 10 foot-pounds. What if you apply 2 pounds of force 10 feet away? 2 pounds of force 10 feet away. 2 pounds. No, it's 20 foot-pounds. 20. 10, yeah. Okay. 10 times 2. What if you apply 5 foot-pounds of...
50. Oh shit, it's 50.
Is it getting all over the place? God dang it. Dude, look at how nasty that is.
It'd be 50 foot-pounds.
Good save. Well, maybe the little thing is the way to go.
Yeah.
Oh, let's get the little thing. Alright, scoot. Gently, because there you go. You can just set it there. It's fine. You ready to check your work?
Yes.
Alright, here we go. Yeah. That's good. Run the tiller. Pull the wheels out. There you go. Run it forward. neutral. Put it neutral. There you go. Good job, Broheim. Full service on the power tiller. What say you? What say you? Awesome. Say something. Goodbye, YouTube. We'll catch you guys on the next one.